Hello everyone, we are back again with another video, that is how to mute messages on Instagram. Without any further ado, let's jump right into our video. Open our Instagram app. Here, as you can see, right after tapping on your Instagram app, you'll be welcomed in the home page where you'll be able to see many options. On the top, you'll be able to see like, and right beside it, you'll be able to see message icon. Tap on the message icon. After tapping on the message icon, here you'll be welcomed in your chat page where you'll be able to see all the people that you have chat with. Here, choose the person that you want to mute. Hold the person's profile name for about 5 seconds. After that, you'll be able to see many options such as move to general, mark as unread, and so on. On the below, you'll be able to see mute messages and mute calls. Mute messages is located on the second last option. Tap on it. After tapping on mute messages, here you'll be able to see about 4 options that are mute your messages for 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until you change it. Here you'll have to choose your preferred one. I'll be choosing for 1 hour. And as you can see, you have successfully muted messages on Instagram. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.